Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Hello, this is the Forex Week in Review on the 23rd of July at 4 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. And from what I saw, basically from last week, was a consolidation period and more specifically a drawdown. This week was rather phenomenal. All right, so we start off with Sunday, which is a doji. These you can trade or not trade. It was green when I was getting ready to trade, so I don't trade when it's indecisive like this. And then we had a 1-2 out, right? And no further trade the rest of the week. So it hits, we had the initial trade here on the entry, and then hits our Z3 here on the Heikin-Ashi for more conservative Z3. But you know, this is anything that trades beyond this is like less than 3% chance of going further down there. And as you can see, it bounced up pretty significantly. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, beautiful. We had 1, 2, 3 punch out, and then we had a 1 and then a 2 and out on Friday with a loss. So very significant price actions. Hits the Z3 here for a nice 1, 2, 3 on the short side. Overall gain for Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, continuation of the previous week, not traded. And then we had a 1, 2, 3 right on the long side. So nice up move for this. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. This trade was Friday. This was Sunday, so no trade. It was green doji. See, these dojis, it's hard to determine once you're getting ready to trade it at the change of the candle, that whether they're red or green, it's kind of difficult. So when that becomes a problem, then don't trade it. Here we had a 1-2 out here, and no further trade the rest of the week. Aussie dollar, US dollar, from the previous week, 1, 2, 3. So and then we had a 1-2 out for a loss on Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. CAD, Swiss franc, beautiful 1-2 out. Or if you went to the Z3, that was a majority of folks will use the major moving averages like the 200. Then we had a 1, 2, 3 in the other direction. So fantastic trade going in both directions. Nice dip. All right, continuation of previous week. Beautiful 1, 2, 3 on the long side for Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. We had a 1, 2, and then it didn't hit the 200 or the Z3. Came back, overall gain. And then we had a 1-2 out for a loss on Wednesday and Thursday. Euro Aussie dollar, beautiful 1, 2, 3, and then a nice 1, 2, 3 out on the RL90, this green moving average. So great trades overall in the other direction, both directions for the week. Euro Canadian dollar, kind of the same kind of theme here. 1, 2, 3 punch out on the short side. Euro British pound, fantastic trade here Sunday. Hits the Z3 excursion. Then we come back in the other direction for 1-2 with a small loss on this. Use the RL90 since it was right up against the RL90. I was looking for the Z3, but small loss on Friday there. Euro Japanese yen, again, nice 1-2 out on the 200. Then a nice a 1-2 out on Thursday for a loss. Euro New Zealand dollar at a beautiful 1, 2, 3. Hits the RL90. Nice price action here. And if you did take this one, you were out for break even on Friday. Euro US dollar, no trade. This was Sunday candle for 3 in a row, so we didn't trade this. All of these are above for a week short, and this was green Heikin-Ashi and a red candle, so this was no trade the whole week. British pound, Aussie dollar, nice 1, 2, 3 punch out, and then no further trade the rest of the week, a week long in this case. British pound, Canadian dollar, had an initial trade here up against the Z3, and it comes back and stops me out here at the low. Then we have a nice 1-2 in the RL90, and no further trade the rest of the week for British pound, Canadian dollar. British pound, Swiss franc, nice 1, 2, 3. Then we come back, and then a 1-2 out with a small loss on Friday. British pound, Japanese yen, beautiful trade. 1, 2, 3 punch out, 1, 2, 3 punch out. And British pound, Japanese yen has significant gains. with this particular currency. So whether you're trading the micro, the mini, or the standard lots, this was a fantastic, phenomenal trade. And it bounced right off the 200 with this nice hammer here. So great trade and price action for British pound, Japanese yen. British pound, New Zealand dollar, on the other hand, it's still a little bit choppy. We're looking at Sunday no trade, initial trade here with a loss, initial trade here for a loss here on British pound, New Zealand dollar. British pound, US dollar, on the other hand, fantastic trade. Nice 1, 2, 3. And then we had a 1, 2 and a small loss here on Friday. Swiss franc, beautiful 1, 2. This thing just crushed it. If you use the RL90, that's still a significant 1-to-1 gain. And then had a trade here with a small loss on Friday. New Zealand Swiss franc. New Zealand Japanese yen, beautiful 1, 2, 3, and then a 1, 2, 3 in the other direction. So great. The Japanese yen pairs did significantly well. Nice 1, 2, 3, and then another 1, 2 with a scratch on Friday. US Canadian dollar, this was a continuation of a previous week. And then we had a 1, 2, 3 going to the short side. US Swiss franc, choppy, no trade. Always using the Heikinashi as a gauge of momentum. And as you can see, in these chop zones, there is no direction. So it keeps you out of the trade by checking the Heikinashi for US dollar Swiss franc. US dollar Japanese yen, absolutely phenomenal trade. 1, 2 out, hits the Z3, nice gain. Then we get a nice 1, 2, 3. Look at silver, kind of goes down, the same thing, a nice 1, 2, 3, and then a 1, 2 out for a loss on Friday. Gold, same thing. It's just kind of choppy. It's staying around the 200 right now. It's kind of not sure where to go at this point. But if we look at the overall big picture of gold, we have this nice cup formation handling here. If it stays with this, we're starting to get what they call a super pinch, with all the moving averages in one little range where it's building up energy at this point. We'll see what happens. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. I am also adding a Forex 3.0 where we're getting into PineScript and programming our own scripts for auto trading. So if you're interested, click on those links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Great weekend, everybody. Happy trading, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.